So one of the strategies I came up with is I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use skip counting on a number line. And some of you struggled with this in your homework the other day. So it's 9 times 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to use blue as 9 times 10 equals 90. Because where did I land? I landed on the 90. Now, my 9 times 9, I'm going to use a different color, just so you can see this.
Rainbow.
Sure. So I'm going to use green for 9 times 9. Now, I could skip count and just figure out counting off 9, 18, 27 until I got up to what I think it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at 10 groups of 9, but 9 is equal to 10 minus 1, just like Elijah said. So I'm just going to minus one group from that, and where do I land? 81. So what I've done here is I've used the number line to show that 9 times 9 is equal to 81, which is the same as 9 times 10 minus one group of 9. Correct? Mm-hmm. All right, so if I'm stuck with something like this, I don't want to I want to show my thinking. So if I'm stuck, one of the strategies I always use is I just draw myself a picture. It's 16 times 10. Now this may take me, I'm just going to use, what am I going to use? I need something simple. I'm going to use dots. 1, 2, I need big dots. So let's make them big. Make them big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys count them out. I need to know how many groups I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, you're too far.
I'm too far?
You're supposed to stop at 90. It needs to be stopped at 80.
Okay, well, hold on here. Okay, now, let me just, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got a hunch here. I'm going to take these out.
That's only 80.
That's only 80? All right, I'm going to use a different color here, just to show my thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so how many have I got? I've got 80 here. Oh, that's terrible. Now I can't read that. Yeah, that's terrible. Hold on. Let me go back to my skinny pen. All right, so here we go. Now I've got how many here? 80. And how many I got here? 80. Now 80 plus 80 is equal to what?
160.
160. So here's my hypothesis. We just did science today, hypothesis. Here's my theory, my hypothesis. My hypothesis is that anytime you multiply something by 5, all you need to do to figure out the answer is figure out what half of it is.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, well, let's explain this. Let's explain this. I'm going to show my thinking. I can show that this group is equal to this group. They have the same number, right? I've got 8 groups of 10 and 8 groups of 10. So together, I have 16 groups of 10, right?
I just kind of scribbled.
I got 16 groups. So half of 16 is 8. Half of 16 is 8. So I can sort of figure out then that, you know what, this is pretty easy. I just have to figure out if 16 times 10 is 160, what's half of 160?
80.
What's half of 16? 8. 160 is just 10 groups.
It's just a
So-
0 at the end.
So it's pretty straightforward. 16 times 5 clearly is 80. Because I wanna help you guys out on this one. I want everybody to look at this very carefully. I like Jenica's thinking that she knows 16 times 5 is 80 because it's half of 16 times what, Jenica?
16.
16.
5 is half of
5.
no, that's what. Okay, half of 10 is 5.
Yeah.
So half of 16 times 10 is going to be 80. So Jenica figured that out pretty quickly. Now, where has our thinking gone here a little bit wrong? So she says 16 times 5 is 80. So you minus 5 then, and the correct answer, 16 times 4, should be 75. Now, think about this. We have 16 groups of
5.
5.
You have to minus a 16.
Okay, here's the thinking, here's where our thinking's gone wrong. We've actually got 5 groups of 16. We want to knock it down to 4 groups of 16.
So you only minus 16, not 5. That equals 16. Because that's a group.
Okay, good. So it's the group is 16, not 5, Jenica. So try that again. Cross out the 5. And now and cross out the 75. And now what do we get? What's our operation though?
Just wait, let me.
You need a symbol for our operation. What is it? What goes in front of that 16?
16.
Are we multiplying, adding, subtracting? What are we doing?
Minus. Sorry.
Writing.
74.
Now we still need an operation though. We don't have an equal sign, so you gotta put those in. Operation is subtraction, multiplication, so it's 80, what, 16? What goes there in between the 80 and the 16?
Minus.
Okay. Now,
Minus.
again, we've got a slight error. We subtracted the ones. We subtracted the 6 from 80, but we didn't subtract it's 16, we didn't subtract the 10. So, Jenica, you need to subtract another 10, don't you think?
Sure.
Yeah.
So what's our final answer going to be?
64.
Alright, so I like this. This is good. What we've done here is we've taken one group of 16 away from 80, and that gives us 64. So that's a good solution. Alright, let's have a look. What are we going to do here? Close the door, please. Yeah, I know. This is really, really interesting because what Christy's done here, gentlemen, what Christy's done is she's done 8 times 4 is 32, so she knows that, and then she just doubled the 32 and made 64. Now, somebody explain to me, why did she double the 32?
Because 8 times 4.
Okay, hand please.
Times 4 is double.
Yes, Miss Page. Why did she double the 32?
Because half of the 16 times 4 is 8 times 4. So she got that answer. And then 8 equals 32. So adding another 32 is 64.
Okay, so she gave us a really good explanation here. When we're dealing with 2-digit numbers, sometimes we can come up with a really, really simple solution. Half of 16, I may not know right off the top of my head what 16 times 4 is, but I know what 8 times 4 is. And 8, I know what 8 groups of 4 are. So I just add another group of 8 groups of 4. So 8 groups of 4 is 32.
Plus 32.
Okay, so this is the same thing. This is to say, this is the same thing as 8 times 4 plus 8 times 4. Correct? All right, so it's 64. It's 32 plus 32,
Isn't that
or
unbalanced?
just 2 times 32. All right, I think we got it.